Are you new to Photoshop and wondering how to crop your photos into circles? Then you are in luck. Indeed, this video is step-by-step guide that has been specially designed for beginners. It will demonstrate how to efficiently use the frame tool in Photoshop to achieve a circular crop. By following along with the tutorial, you will gain practical knowledge and master this technique with ease. So let's start by opening Photoshop and the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open in Photoshop, it's time to select the frame tool. You can activate this tool in two ways. Either click on its icon in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut by pressing K on your keyboard. The frame tool allows you to easily create shaped photo frames. With the frame tool selected, you will need to head up to the options bar at the top of the screen. In the options bar, you will see several different shape options for your frame. Click on the circle option. This lets you create a circular frame crop. Now you are ready to use the frame tool on your image. Simply click and drag over the part of the photo you want to frame. This will create a circular frame over your image. However, if you find that this automatically creates a new layer instead of a frame, your original image layer is likely locked. So, click on the layer in the Layers panel and check for a lock icon next to it. Click on the lock icon to unlock your original layer, then try making the frame again. Once you have created a circle frame over your image, you can adjust the photo's position within it. If you find that moving the frame tool moves the entire layer instead of just the photo, you likely have the whole layer selected instead of just the image. To fix this, double-click on the image itself until just the photo is highlighted. Now, when you move the frame tool, it will only move the image, allowing you to position it precisely within the circle. If you want to resize the circle frame at any point, click and drag the handles that appears around the frame. To move the photo within the frame, make absolutely sure you only have the image layer selected. You can confirm this by looking in the Layers panel. Only the photo itself should be highlighted, not the entire layer. Now you can click and drag the image to reposition it within the circular frame. One thing to keep in mind is that the image inside the frame tool is a smart object. This means you can make adjustments like repositioning without degrading the quality of the photo. Smart objects makes it easy to tweak your edits. When you are satisfied with the positioning of your photo within the circular frame, it's time to export it. Right-click on the frame itself and choose Quick Export as PNG. This will save your image with a transparent background. But if you see the option of JPEG instead, you will need to go through Export As to choose PNG format. Make sure the transparency option is checked before exporting. This is a circle design. It tells Photoshop to make everything outside of the frame circle transparent. This transparency creates the illusion that your image has been cropped into a perfect circle, even though the rest of the photo is still there behind the scenes. So, follow these techniques and you will be able to crop photos into circles with ease. Photoshop's tools make it simple to get creative with shaped photo frames. With the right techniques, you can take your image editing to the next level in no time.